Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss any of our Shopify tutorials, e-commerce tips, and business growth guides. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and update your Shopify account details. We'll walk through each step to ensure you're fully comfortable and confident in managing your Shopify store effectively. Keeping your account details accurate and secure is one of the most important parts of running a successful store. It ensures your transactions, emails, and admin functions all run smoothly. To start, open your preferred web browser and go to the homepage of your Shopify store. Once you're there, locate and click on My Store. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your store, from products and orders to personal settings. Bookmark your Shopify admin page for quick access. It saves time, especially if you manage multiple stores or log in frequently throughout the day. Next, you'll want to click on your profile name. This will usually be situated in the upper right corner of the page, making it easy to access your personal account details. Clicking on your profile opens up a range of options, including your personal and store settings. Once you're in the profile section, the next step is to click on Details. The Details area is where all your basic personal information is housed. Here, you'll be able to view and edit essential information, ensuring it's always current and accurate for your store's operations. Make it a habit to review this section every few months. If your email, business address, or phone number changes, updating it here prevents miscommunication with customers or Shopify's support system. After accessing your details, navigate over to the Verified section. This is where you can manage your account's verification status. Ensuring your account is verified is crucial as it enhances your store's security and instills trust with your customers. A verified account also ensures smoother communication with Shopify when handling billing, payouts, or disputes. Following the verification check, click on Update. This option allows you to make any necessary changes to your account information, whether it's updating your email or other personal details. Keeping your account information up to date is important for smooth store management. If your store is part of a team, make sure every staff member's access level is appropriate. Only owners or authorized admins should be able to modify sensitive account details. Now, something to keep in mind is that before changing your Shopify email, you'll need to verify your account. You'll likely encounter a prompt saying, "We need to verify your account before changing your Shopify email." To proceed, opt to verify using Google. This step is crucial for security purposes, ensuring that changes are being made by the authorized account holder. Once you've completed the verification process, the next step involves clicking on Authenticate. Authentication acts as a final checkpoint for making sure that you are the one making changes to the account. This process helps prevent unauthorized access and modifications to your store's sensitive information. Always enable two-step authentication 2FA in your Shopify settings. This adds another layer of protection, preventing anyone from accessing your account even if they have your password. And with that, you're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated and updated your Shopify account details. Remember, periodically reviewing and updating your details keeps your store running smoothly and securely. If you encounter any issues along the way, Shopify support team is always ready to assist. You can reach them directly through live chat or email right from your admin dashboard. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one, covering everything from Shopify setup to store design, marketing, and advanced e-commerce tips.